Hello my beautiful people. So I'm going to be doing a series to help new vegans get ready for barbecue season because there is a bunch of non-vegan friendly things going on at barbecues. There's hamburgers, hot dogs, sausages, ribs, and all that stuff. So I am going to be providing you guys with amazing, delicious, great vegan recipes for barbecue season. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys grilled tofu, as you probably guessed by the title. I'm sorry, I'm outside right now, so there's like traffic going past. But I'm going to be showing you guys grilled tofu, and then in other videos, I'm going to be showing you guys other things you can grill or just have your family's having a barbecue or whatever. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned, keep watching, and definitely hit the subscription button if you guys want more barbecue vegan friendly recipes / videos. I will see you guys in a couple seconds when I'm grilling. I love you guys. Bye.
Yeah.